Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to change your Unacademy account name and username. Unacademy is India's largest online learning platform that lets you access high-quality education. First, go to unacademy.com. Go ahead and log in to your account with your email or username. Once you are signed in, click on Profile icon at the top right, then click Profile. Click Edit Name if you want to change your account name or display name. Please remember that you can only change it once. If you want to change your username, click Edit Username. This is the unique name in your Unacademy profile URL. This is how you can change your Unacademy account name and username. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.